So here we have the identity cosine of x is equals to 2 times cosine squared of x over 2 minus 1. So let's try to prove this identity by using the Euler's form. So we're going to start from the right hand side. So the right hand side, we can rewrite it as 2 times cosine of x over 2 whole squared minus 1. So that we can convert the cosine function to its Euler form. So we have e raised to the power of I times x over 2 plus e raised to the power of negative I times x over 2 divided by 2 whole squared minus 1. So that gives us 2 times e raised to the power of ix over 2 whole squared plus 2 times e raised to the power of ix over 2 times e raised to the power of negative ix over 2 plus e raised to the power of negative ix over 2 whole squared whole divided by 2 squared, which is 4, minus 1. So that will be equals to 2 over 4 times e raised to the power of ix over 2 whole square, so that will be e raised to the power of ix plus 2 times e raised to the power of ix over 2 minus ix over 2 plus e raised to the power of negative ix minus 1. So we have 1 over 2 multiplied to e over ix plus half times 2 times e raised to the power of 0 plus half times e raised to the power of negative ix minus 1. Now we can combine the first term and the third term, so that will be e raised to the power of ix plus e raised to the power of negative ix over 2. The second term will be half multiplied to 2 is 1, and e raised to the power of 0 is also 1, and we have a negative 1. So 1 and negative 1 gets cancelled, leaving us with the Euler form, which is the Euler form of the cosine function. So this proves the given identity that cosine of x is equals to 2 times cosine squared x over 2 minus 1.